We were doing linking, and last time I taught you how to link a other web page or image, etc. And for your kind information, there are two types of the linking: internal linking and external linking. Last time which you did, that was the external linking, means by using the link, when you are going to link to the other web page or other image, it means you are linking anywhere else, not in the same page. That is the external linking. And when you are linking in the same web page where you are working, that is known as the internal linking. Have a look here on the web page which it is given on the screen. Input devices. Click the following links to check the detail. After that, 4 links are there: keyboard, scanner, OCR and OMR. The question is why the internal linking is used. Suppose we are having one web page and this web page is too much lengthy, and it may be 3 or 4 page long, and you want to move anywhere else in the web page, means not on the first page, you want to directly move to the 4th page of the web page. How it is possible? By scrolling you can move, no doubt, but the other method is by using the internal linking also. As you are looking here on the screen, input devices are given and their detail is also given: keyboard detail, scanning system detail, OCR and OMR. Suppose OMR detail is not looking on the screen, it is below the page which we are going to show on the web page, and you want to directly move there. How it is possible? You have to click on the OMR link, which is the internal link, and this OMR detail is not going to be shown on the web page. It is on the second page of the web page. You will move directly there. For that you have to make the internal linking. Now how to make the internal linking I am showing you the same web page with its coding. Have a look here. Firstly, input devices. In the H2 heading 2 it is given input devices. After that, click the following links to check the detail, and links are made here: keyboard, scanning system, OCR, OMR. Earlier in the href we gave the name of the file or the site for making the external link, but whenever we are going to make internal linking, we have to give the keyword where we want to link. Now in the first linking, in the keyboard first linking, have a look. In the href what we have given: keyboard having hash symbol. What does it mean? Keyboard having hash symbol. What does it mean? That keyboard is a special symbol, and wherever it will be found in the program, it will be linked there. Keyboard keyword will be found for making the link. Now as you are looking in the next line, scanning system, third OCR, fourth OMR. Again I am telling you, In the href we have to give the name of the keyword where we have to link by adding the symbol hash. After that, defining the keyword where we want to link means अब आपको वो कीवर्ड डिफ़ाइन करना है जहाँ पर आप लिंक करना चाहते हैं। पहले डिफ़ाइन करना है जैसा कि href के अंदर हैश सिंबल के द्वारा। उसके बाद आप ए टैग को दोबारा यूज़ करेंगे और उस ए टैग में आपने ए नेम इक्वल वो कीवर्ड जिससे आप कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं ए नेम इक्वल कीबोर्ड। हैश सिंबल के आगे कीबोर्ड दिया था, वो सर्च करेगा कि नेम इक्वल कीबोर्ड कहाँ दिया हुआ है पूरे प्रोग्राम में, डायरेक्टली वहाँ पर लिंक हो जाएगा इन द सेम वेब पेज। इसी तरह सेकंड लिंकिंग के अंदर हैश स्कैनिंग सिस्टम सर्च करेगा ए नेम इक्वल स्कैनिंग सिस्टम इन द होल प्रोग्राम, और जहाँ पर भी दिया होगा वहाँ पर लिंक हो जाएगा। और अगर आपका प्रोग्राम काफ़ी लेंथी है, इट इज़ ऑफ द 4 और 5 पेजेस, then you will move to directly to the 4th or 5th page. Suppose you are linking on the OMR, as you are looking OMR is at the 4th one number and it is on the 2nd page of the web page. You will directly move to the 2nd web page by using the a name equal that keyword to which you want to link that keyword. So dear students, hopefully you have cleared. Even though if you have any problem, you can contact me. Thank you.